How to fix Facebook unknown error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook unknown error on Android phone. First then just go to settings and then apps and apps again and go to Facebook, and first try to force stop and then clear cache and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem come back here and enable all of those here, camera, contacts, location, and all of those here, and go to data usage and also enable all of those here, and now just try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem just clear data, and then your problem will be fixed, and try to restart your phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video don't forget like and see you in the next video.